I'm going to be straight with you because that's what I do. I'm hearing that showings have slowed down big time. And I'm watching houses that would have gone under contract in a weekend a few months ago now sitting on the market. Some of them are making six-figure price reductions. So what's going on? A few things. Consumer sentiment is absolutely awful right now. Buyers are becoming far more hesitant. They're not sure what's happening with the economy, and when people are uncertain, they usually don't make the biggest financial decision of their life. That's just human nature. At the same time, and this is the part that sellers need to understand, inventory is still historically low. There are fewer than 910 detached homes for sale across a region of 1.7 million people. That's not a buyer's market, it's a seller's market for a little while longer. Why do I say only for a little while longer? We're getting into a market now where the wrong price is getting punished immediately, and the margin for pricing error is getting far smaller. But the right price still works. The houses that are sitting, overpriced, period. The market didn't get worse, it just got more precise. Buyers haven't disappeared, they've gotten more disciplined, and they have data. They know what things sold for. They know when something is priced right and when it isn't. And when it isn't, they wait. The artificial cushion of government-backed subsidies helping all the buyers who pulled the trigger across America earlier this year purchasing a home is drained at this point. So in essence, we are running out of people who can afford to pay historical highs for your home. If a mortgage is over $4,000 a month in this economy, say goodbye to your equity, say hello to more price reductions, say goodbye to multiple offers, say hello to more home inspections, say goodbye to lower interest rates, say hello to the bottom of the roller coaster, followed by a decade-long plateau in value. Say hello to the whole process taking significantly longer to resolve itself and allow you to move on with your life. This is what happens when you wait too long. Is it too late now? Well, if you're thinking about listing, price it right from day one, not what you hope to get, not what your neighbor got 6 months ago, what the market will pay today, because every day on the market in this environment is working against you, each and every day. If you have the means and you know you're going to do it and can't make up your mind exactly when that is, just picture yourself 5 years from now sitting there on that value plateau at $150,000 less than what your home is worth today, looking back on this moment and saying, man, we should have sold this place in 2025, 2026. Could it be worth more in 5 years? It's not impossible, but is it probable? Do you see a reason the price would increase in those 5 years? If you're already listed right now and you're sitting, you already know the answer. The price reduction you're resisting is costing you more than the reduction itself. Accumulated days on market work against you. If you want to know exactly where your home sits in this market right now, call me directly, 267-934-5674. Josh Wernick, Realtor, Keller Williams. That conversation is free and I'll give you a straight answer. We can still get your home listed and sold fast, but I can't say for how much longer that's going to last. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Head over to sellrealestatepa.com to connect with me online and see what I have to offer for my clients. If you aren't selling your home because you believe you're stuck, I have solutions for you. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you on the next one.